Hey. Alright, we are at the zoo. I'm about to come up on my buddy Echo. We're going to try to get a recording of his reaction to me as we come around this corner. Echo! Hey Bobby, come here. Come on up here, boy. Come on. Alright. Give me a high five. You can give me a high five? You give me a high five? I know I can't reach you. Here we go. You can reach. We can reach. There we go. You got it. There we go. Good boy. I love you, boy. Bobby. Oh, I love you, Bobby cat. Yeah, you're my best friend here at the zoo. Just stay dry, okay? Going back to work? Back to work? Hello. Cracker? Back to work. Back to work. Doing up there? You come down here. Come down there to that little point right there. Come on. Come on. You my friend? Yeah, you are my friend. Yeah, you are. You happy? You happy to see me? Yeah. Yeah, you dancing? Oh, yeah, you're a good boy. You're a good boy. You remember me? You do? You remember me? Yeah, I know. You want to get out and play with me? Yeah? You say hello? Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Yeah. You coming over here? Come on. Come on, right here. Yeah, I want to go too. Let's go, let's go. Aw, I just want to give you pets, but you're not coming up here. Why aren't you coming up here? You don't love me no more? You don't love me? Yeah, you do. All birds love me. Come on. Oh, I know. I can't reach you guys. Too far away. It's those beaks. If you could escape, you would. A Stooby. Hey, you want to go? Say it. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. It's not a plane. It's like a jet fighter. Well, wherever it is, I can't see it. Bye, guys.
See the baby? What's that one? That is a... Oh, God. What's that one? Hecocolacus. I'm not...
Manatees are. Yeah, manatees are pretty large animals. You see them every day?
What kind of dinosaurs are there? A monkey. Is that brachiosaurus?
It does look like an Allosaurus. It does. But it's not. It does look like Allosaurus. No, that's why it's small. There's like a dinosaur called Allosaurus. Yeah. This is dinosaur training. Yeah. No, my son used to watch that. Like a Discovery and PBS Kids. And he watched that. It's real. It's called the Allosaurus. I forgot it.
That's great. I like little kids that play video games. Cool.